Hola amigos, welcome to my channel Sanshu's Vlogs to the third episode of my Singapore travel diaries. Do watch my other episodes, the link is in the description below, or you can just click the I button in the top right corner. The Art and Science Museum is one of the most underrated tourism places in Singapore. This half lotus shaped structure is located right beside the Marina Bay Sands Hotel. It offers you a stunning visual experience and fun activities for all kind of ages. This place was completely dark and had beautiful visuals of flowers and waterfalls. Don't forget to take some good photos here. This is a touch sensitive slide which changes its visual according to the weight put on it. This is my favorite part of the museum. Pick a chart paper which already has an outline, color it according to your imagination, scan it in the printer over there, and voila, your art is now on display. Try to find out where my artwork is in this video. And my Jetson spaceship. And a truck dedicated to me by my husband which says Sanchu's Express. This segment is called the space and it gives you an illusion of stars moving around the universe. This is the best place to take amazing photos. The next destination we went to was the Shoppies at Marina Bay Sands, which is located right beside the museum. This is again a shopper's paradise with many international brands. We just went in for a quick lunch. Do try the Singaporean bubble tea which comes in many flavors. After having a quick lunch, we went to the Marina Bay Sands Sky Park which is located on the 57th floor. The Sky Park is an observation deck from where you can have the beautiful panoramic view of Singapore. The Sky Park is usually open from 10 am in the morning till late in the evening, and I recommend you to go here after sunset to enjoy the beautiful city lights. Standing at the edge of the deck was an amazing feeling. The Marina Bay Sands Hotel has a beautiful infinity pool, but it can only be accessed by the hotel guests. You can still view it from the other side. Our next stop was the Super Tree Groves, which is walkable distance from Marina Bay Sands. The Super Tree Grove is a group of canopy-like trees which are at a length of 25 meters and 50 meters. The entry is free here, however you have to pay if you have to climb to the observatories. The Super Tree Grove is open almost all day, but the best time to visit is in the evening to witness the stunning light and sound show, which happens twice a day, once at 7:45 p.m. and the next at 8:45. So make sure you come here at least 15 to 20 minutes before the show starts. This is the Dragon Eggs Park, which is right beside the Super Tree Grove. You can find this park on the way to the Bayfront MRT station. Walking on the streets and gazing at those tall buildings, we finally reached Merlion. The Merlion is the symbol of Singapore, which has a fish-like body and a lion head. It represents the humble beginnings of the country, which was first known as a fishing village, and also this country was previously known as Singapura or Lion City. On day 4, we went to the Maritime Museum and the aquarium located in Sentosa Island. Maritime Museum is all about those sailors and the history of ships and navigation and how each and every country was discovered. Adjoining the museum was the SEA Aquarium, also known as Southeast Asia Aquarium. This aquarium hosts a variety of sea creatures which you might have never seen. It was a pure visual treat for us. This part of the aquarium is called the open ocean habitat. It has the largest viewing panel so that you feel like as if you are in the ocean swimming with the fishes. So sit there and enjoy the peaceful view. Next, we went to the Trick Eye Museum right beside the aquarium. To go here, you have to download this app and follow the instructions, and you're good to go. Basically, this museum is like a 3D museum but with a touch of artificial intelligence. You will come to know. We had lots and lots of fun taking so many photos and videos, and it's a must visit place. Next, we went to a spectacular light and sound show called The Wings of Fire, which is located in Sentosa Island. This show happens twice a day, once at 7:40 and the next at 8:40 pm. That's the end of the episode. I hope you liked it. Give it a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And for the next episode, I'll be meeting a galaxy of stars. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.